Hello, my little readers. Welcome back to Tiny Talent Academy. Today we are learning the an word family. A word family means many words that end the same. When words end the same, they sound the same. The ending for this family is an. It sounds like an. Now let us learn some an words. Man. A, n, man. Pan. P, a, n. Pan. Fan. F, a, n. Fan. Can. K, a, n. Can. Tan. T, a, n. Tan. Now let us read all the an words together. Man, pan, fan, can, tan. Now we will build more words with the an ending. Remember, an is the ending sound. We will put a new sound in front of an to make a new word. A, n, an. Add r in front of an. R, a, n, ran. Add v in front of an. V, a, n, van. Add b in front of an. B, a, n, ban. These are new words we just made. Ran, van, ban. Now let us break the new words into sounds. This helps with spelling. Ran, r, a, n. Van, v, a, n. Ban, b, a, n. Wonderful! Now it is test time. Read these an words with me. A, n. Man. K, a, n. Can. V, a, n. Van. A, n. Ran. F, a, n. Fan. If you read all the words, give yourself 5 golden stars. You did an amazing job today. You learned the an family. You learned how to blend. You learned how to read. And you learned how to build words. Thank you for learning with Tiny Talent Academy. If you liked this lesson, please like this video and subscribe for more fun learning. Bye, my little readers. See you soon.